Hi, now I'll show you how to download and install Sara WDM time series utility. So we have a WDM file, but to open that WDM file, you need a special software called the Sara time series utility. Just open your favorite web browser and type the Sara time series time series utility. Automatically just select this one, and you see the several option actually available, but just click the next one, time series utility Antonio River Authority, and then click the download. Of course, you can also download this one from course web page, okay? And once you download, just open the folder and unzip your um, this file. Double click and unzip uh, your file. And once you unzip, yeah, of course you can just click the compression and extract all. Mine is the gray out because I'm using the third party zip software. So maybe if you have it, you can just unzip automatically by double clicking this zip file, or you don't have a third party zip software. If you click the compress folder tool, this extract all option should be activated. Okay, so once you unzip, you can just double click this one to open software, and yes, and next. You can just take a default value, and install. Yes, it's done. So once you install, you can see the new icon, Sara time series utility, available here, or you can find this install location using your search box like this and type Sara time series utility, right? Automatically find your app. In my case, you can see uh, of course, you can also find out the installation location by clicking open uh, installation location, and you can double click this one, or you can just simply double click this icon. And now I just open this software, Sara Time Series Utility, and you are ready to go. Now it's your turn. Thank you.